I'm Sandeep Shukla, spearheading marketing and communication for Jaguar Group Global Operations. I see as we move towards a new normal, I see there will be a heightened investment by consumers. The awareness will go more on living style, which means the bridging the gap between the lifestyle and living style. The way we live will have a greater focus, which means the investments, the activities will be more centered around the way we live, specifically with more of indoor living. Second, see the a purpose marketing will take a more central role. Brands will focus more towards service and trust, retaining the customer empathy. So that to me will a very significant role, a very purpose-driven marketing. Third, I see there is a paradigm shift in the way digital is perceived. The digital has been utilized, across the industry. It will no more be a side dish in a marketing communication plan. And the last, I feel there'll be a greater realization towards safety, hygiene, and conservation of natural resources. So this is what, to me, are some of the very interesting trends which I foresee. Now, coming specific to the bathroom segment, I see definitely the bathrooms will have a large, wellness will have a very, very important and a larger share in the bathroom segment, specifically to the premium and the luxury segment of the customer, which means the products like well pools, spas, steam cabin, shower enclosures, high-end showers will take a central role, and more investments and more effort will go into that space. Digital and social media will not only be restricted to brand awareness, but it will go beyond and that activity to brand comprehension and even enabling customers. So, which I mean, the e-commerce will step into this segment, which is highly brick and mortar, where your physical touch and feel is very, very important. I feel agencies will have to take digital very seriously, not only from point of technology. There's an over focus of technology, but what I feel, the content is the king. So I think the content in view of the tech space, the social space, the digital media has to be in line and has to be out of the box and creative. I also see the tier 2 and tier 3 markets will have a greater focus on complete bathroom solutions, which means people will go for ready to move in bathrooms. They'll have a much more investments in bathroom. They will have a better products, and which was not which was only restricted to largely the metros and tier 1 cities. Now, because of the greater focus towards these areas, so definitely I see tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3 markets will have a ready to move in bathroom concept culture coming in. And lastly, I think for marketers in digital space, only having technology and outsourcing content will not cut the eyes. Brands have to develop the in-house capabilities in terms of resources, manpower, processes to deal with technology and social media, because of the sheer pace and agility of the industry. It cannot be completely outsourced. So these are my some of the trends and observation for times to come.